How to turn off birthdays push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off birthdays push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and notifications, and now just click people you might know. Not people you might know, go down and click birthdays, and now all you need to do is just turn push off this one here and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.